Cutting-edge laser tech makes flawless patterns on denim with precision. If anyone earns the name Steel Furnace Warrior, it's definitely this man. Gotta admit, that's one seriously smart move. I love eye-catching wall colors in my room. What do you think? Hit the comments below. Don't be fooled. Those cards are basically like steel darts in his hands. Fast, precise, and downright deadly. This has got to be the biggest plowing machine ever to hit the planet. So creative. Used recycled glass bottles as a replacement for building bricks after cleaning them. This is how manganese steel mesh is made a crucial component of ore screening equipment. I'll bet this machine can keep your lawn looking flawless, just like a golf course. With this top-tier log splitter on your side, winter chills won't even faze you. With machines lending a hand, breaking down components is far less complicated. I'm wondering what kind of cake this is. Anyone know? Let me know in the comments. A beast of a strapping machine like this makes tape feel completely outdated. This is insane. The machine carves wood like it's tearing paper. This guy's speed is right up there with that machine. It looks delicious. If I get a chance, I will definitely try this fruit. With gadgets like these in your kitchen, you're ready to go to war with any vegetable. No joke, this thing bends the laws of physics, fixes bent steel pipes in the blink of an eye. This is the moment for seasoned builders to show what they're made of. Come on, at least a like for this amazing invention, right? A wave is created during construction. Wow, I'm truly amazed by their impressive work speed. I am truly amazed by her speed and professionalism. Do you think you could do the same as he did? It ain't magic, it's lightning art on bamboo. And trust me, you're gonna want to see this through. Moss used to rule this place until the pressure washer showed up. If you want a rock-solid foundation, this pile driving step is a must. With the way they work, you could have a brand new house in just one day. Sit back and get ready to be impressed. This is how the heroes of the tracks do repairs. This ain't your average apple picker. How many do you think it can crush through in a single day? His work speed is so fast that only lightning could compare. During the Lunar New Year, kumquat trees are a must-have decoration in northern Vietnam. Milk just tastes better when you're floating in midair.
Oh, come on, bro.
With a snow-blasting beast like this, winter doesn't stand a chance. Ever wondered how a pneumatic engraver works on metal? Here's your answer.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
How long would it take them to finish this task without machines? I really can't picture it.
Rồi.
With clever minds on your team, no challenge is too big to overcome. Have you learned his technique?
Thank you for watching. Hope these moments will help you relax after a stressful day at work. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next videos.